The on-demand business industry is growing at a rapid pace with the market size at $4.91 billion in 2021. One of its sectors is on-demand grocery delivery business, which is expected to grow to $800.00 billion by 2025. The on-demand grocery delivery business segment changes the behavior of the customers to avail their daily needs with a mobile application. Key players in grocery delivery business market. Zepto was founded in 2021 by two bachelors with total funding of $360 million. If someone wants to put their step forward in the on-demand grocery delivery market, the time is now. Before that, let's learn about the business and revenue model of Zepto. Zepto works as an intermediary between the customer and the grocery store. Customers place the order with the help of the application, and the delivery partner delivers it to the doorstep of the customer. How Zepto makes money. Commission fee from customers. Zepto charges a delivery commission fee from customers. Subscription and membership plans. Zepto earns through different subscription and member plans. Commission fee from grocery stores. They charge 15% to 20% of the payment of the order as commission fees from stores. Marketing ads. Zepto charges marketing fees from grocery stores for advertising their banners on applications.